Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to solve this second order non-homogeneous differential equation using variation of parameters. Here the question is asking, given that x, x cube is a fundamental set of solution of x square y double prime minus 3xy prime plus 3y is equal to 0, find the general solution of x square y double prime minus 3xy prime plus 3y is equal to 4x power 7. Whenever we have a non-homogeneous differential equation, second order differential equation, we have to find the general solution in this pattern, like y, okay, let me write this here, y is equal to particular solution plus complementary solution. Okay, and here they have given the complementary solution already, because here they have mentioned that x, x cube is a fundamental set of solution of x square y double prime minus 3xy prime plus 3y is equal to 0. This is a complementary solution is provided. So we can directly write our complementary solution, that is yc is equal to c1x plus c2x cube. If they don't give the complementary solution, what we have to do is we have to bring this one into standard form. Anyway, we have to do the standard form here, because we are going to find out the particular solution. We need to find out the standard form. But if they don't give the complementary solution, what you have to do is, let's write this one in a standard form. We have to bring this one in a standard form first. To bring this one in standard form, we shouldn't have anything multiply in front of this y double prime. So okay, if anything multiply in front of this y double prime, we have to divide everything by that to get rid of that value. Here x square is multiplying this y double prime, so we have to divide everything by x square. Let me use a different color. Okay, here x square, and this one also x square divided by x square divided by x square. So if you divide everything by x square, we will get y double prime minus 3x over x square, 3 over x y prime plus 3 over x square y is equal to 4x power 5. Okay, if you divide everything by x square, we will get this one. After that, we have to write the characteristic equation. That's going to be r square minus 3 over x plus 3 over x r plus 3 over x square is equal to 0. We have to equate this one to 0, and we have to find the real roots if they don't give this one. But if they don't give this one, we can directly write this. Now our thing is we have to find out what is the particular solution is. That's the only thing we have to do. To find out the particular solution, if we have the complementary solution, it's just few steps away. What we have to do is, this is our y1. The first solution is y1. y1 is equal to x, and y2 is equal to x cube. Now to find out the particular solution, particular solution is going to be this one, u1 y1 plus u2 y2. Okay, here y1 and y2 already known. y1 is here, y2 is here. We have to find out u1 and u2. The easiest way is you can use the Wronskian. If you use the Wronskian gives u1 prime is equal to w1 over w, and u2 prime is equal to w2 over w. Now let's see how to find out this w1 and w2. To find out the w first, we have to put a 2 by 2 matrix. In this one, y1 is what? X is here, and then y2, that's x cube, that's here. Then we have to find out the derivative of this one. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of x cube is 3x square. Then we have to find out the determinant. Determinant is this one multiplied by that's 3x cube minus x cube, that is 2x cube. 2x cube is the determinant of w. Now after we find out the determinant, we found out the w, the one part is done. The next thing is we have to find out the w1. To find out the w1, what we do is, the first thing is going to be 0. So when you see 1, remember, like, first one has to be 0, and after that, in the below of this one, we have to put g of x. G of x is in the standard form, whatever the value in after this equal sign. After equal, we have 4x power 5. That's our g of x. We have to put it below 0, 4x power 5, and in the other side we will other thing will remain the same, x cube and the derivative of that one, that's 3x square. Now we have to find out the determinant of this one. If you find the determinant, 0 times 3x square, that's 0, minus 4x 5 times x cube, that's going to be 4x power 8. So this is negative 4x power 8. This is W1. Now the next thing is we have to find out the W2. To find the W2, what we do is we keep the first one as it is, x1, and we put 0 and g of x for the second one. 0 and g of x is 4x power 5. Now we have to find out the determinant. X times 4x power 5, that's going to be 4x power 6, minus 0, that's going to be nothing, right? That's going to be 0, so we can neglect that. Now we can find out this u1 prime and u2 prime. Let's find out the u1 prime first. u1 prime is what? W1 divided by W. W1 is negative 4x power 8 divided by W is 2x cube. If you divide this one, that's going to give you negative 2x power 5. Now we have u1 prime. But here we have to find out the u1, because to find out the particular solution, that's why we are doing all these things. To find out the particular solution, we need u1. u1 prime is here. To find out the u1, we just have to integrate this one. If you integrate u1 this prime, let's get rid of this prime. u1 is going to be just integration of this one, that's negative 2x power 6 divided by 6. So negative 2x power 6 divided by 6. We can write this in short form like minus 1 over 3 x power 6. Okay, this is our u1. Now we can find the u2. Let's find the u2 prime first. Well, let me note this one down right here. u1 we found out here. Let me find out the u2 here. u2 prime is equal to w2 divided by w. w2 is 4x power 6 divided by w, that's 2x cube. 2x cube. 2 and 4 cancel, so 2x power 6 and x cube, this will make this one 2x cube. Okay, now u2 prime is this one. Now we have to find out what is u2 is. We have to integrate this one. If you integrate this one, you will get u2 to be 2x power 4 divided by 4. 2x power 4 divided by 4, that's going to make this one half x power 4. This is our u2. Okay, we found out u1 and u2. Now finally we can write our particular solution. Particular solution is going to be just u1 times y1 plus u2 times y2. Okay, let's get rid of some of these things. Let's get rid of these things. Okay, let's write the particular solution. Let's use a different color. Okay, yp is going to be u1. u1 is here 1 over 3 x power 6, negative 1 over 3 x power 6, negative 1 over 3 x power 6 multiplied by y1. y1 is x times x. I just put it in a bracket, times x, and then plus u2. u2 is 1. u2 is here 1 over 2 x power 4. 1 over 2 x power 4 multiplied by y2. y2 is x cube. Now if you see, this is going to be negative 1 over 3 x power 7, and here we are going to get 1 over 2 x power 7. Both have same power, so we can add them. Now if you take the common denominator, this is going to be 6. So if we write this one in terms of 6, this is going to be negative 2 over 6 x power 7 plus this is going to be 3 over 6 x power 7, and 3 minus 2, that's going to be 1. So 1 over 6 x power 7 is the particular solution. Now we have the particular solution. So the general solution is particular solution plus complementary solution. Since they have given the complementary solution already, we already written the complementary solution here. X comma x cube mean we just have to multiply that one with a constant and equalize to yc. That's our complementary solution. Now the general solution is addition of these two. Okay, let's write the general solution. General solution, that's going to be yp. yp is 1 over 6 times x power 7 plus complementary solution is c1x plus c2x cube, and this is our final solution. This is our general solution of this second order non-homogeneous differential equation. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn differential equation, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.